make money using Canva. So this video, I'm going to be going over how you can make custom stickers or creative stickers that you can be able to sell as digital sheets that people can go and get printed on paper, sticker paper, or you can go ahead and print these yourself and sell them on your website or on Etsy or wherever platform that you want to sell, TikTok shop, anything, any place that you want to sell. So this is, before we get into that video, if you want to check out the free templates that I have right now, or free worksheets, I'm going to be adding to this website as we go, but it's in the link, the description in my YouTube channel, and we have some free products right now. We have these inspirational quote coloring book for young girls, as well as ABC pages. So this is free right now. And then I have this template right here that is for sale, as well as custom flyers. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So the first thing we're going to want to do is, I opened up 8x5x11, which is a typical size print paper, and we're going to go ahead and start creating our stickers. So you want to go ahead and have create a sticker sheet. So you want to have a theme for each sheet. So once you think of what theme you want to go with, you can go ahead and do a little bit of research. If you're going for a specific target audience, which you should, it's best to not sell to everyone. If you sell to everyone, you sell to no one. And so you want to pick a target audience or a niche and then start making your stickers. So we're going to go over to elements, and let's say that we're going to go with cute fruit. This is a very popular theme. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click on these fruits, and you want to determine your sticker size. Right here, you can see that it's showing me the width and height. Then we're going to go ahead and put it right there. And then we're going to go back over to elements, and you're going to pick out the rest of your fruit. Go ahead and put it in here, and we go here and we hit copy style, paste. And then we have our strawberry. We have our orange. So actually, let's go over to, because we want them to have the similar style. And we see here, these have these eyes and these have these eyes, different type of eyes. So we're going to go back over here and click on this, the three dots here. We're going to hit view collection so that we can make sure that we're getting all the ones with the same. So this is a particular set right here with these eyes, but these are not fruit. So let's go back over here. Cute fruit. Let's see if this has a collection. Okay, so no, there is no collection for all of these fruits. So we just need to pick something with a similar style. So these eyes look more similar. So we're gonna go with this strawberry. Go with this watermelon. this orange. We want to make sure we give everything the right amount of space. I'm thinking we're going to do 3 in each row. And let's go ahead and put the pineapple here. Go ahead and make this a little bit smaller. And we're going to add in this other apple right here, this green apple. And then we just need one more fruit. So we're going to do this cute little banana right here. And put it right here at the top. So we're going to, let's say that we're going to do 6 for right now. And we're going to go ahead and just check the spacing. You can see now that it will tell you if everything, okay, these are all spaced the same. And then, so now to make these stickers, to give it the outline sticker. So if you, we're going to go ahead and click on, just so that we can see the outline, we're going to make this black. And what I did was I selected outline, and you can change the sizing if you want it to be a little bit bigger on the sticker to maybe about 75, 73. And all you have to do is click copy style and hit paste, and it will copy the style on here. So copy style, and it just changed it. Copy style and select it. Copy style and select it, and so forth, so that you don't have to keep sliding all of these down to the 75 or 73. And the last one. So after you like how they look in the sizing and everything like that, the next thing we're going to do is, so if you want just a white background like that, then you can keep it like that. But if you want it to also have like a shadow around it, what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to select white background again, and we're going to hit share, download, PNG with a transparent background. We're going to select the page 1. Like I said, if you like it like this, you can download this as a PDF print file instead for professional printing. But if you want to add a shadow, we're going to go ahead and hit PNG, transparent background, and hit download. And we're going to go ahead and add a page here. And we're going to go ahead and upload what we just downloaded. Now that we have what we just downloaded, we're going to go ahead and stretch it out to fit the space. Yeah, did not mean to hit that. Let's go over to shadows. We can do that. We can have that. Let's look at this with a black background. Edit. Restore. Background. Reset tools. So we can give it back that. And then we're going to hit edit. Shadows. We have that glow effect. We're going to go back here and hit white. And now we can see that it has the white sticker plus the shadow. So if you wanted to have a shadow now, you can go ahead and download it again with the transparent background. And there you go. You'll have the sticker with the shadow along with the white outside of it. Sorry, it was a little glitchy. But yeah, so that's how you would do that. And you can change the intensity of the shadow as well. The glow, I mean. So we can make it a little less over here, maybe 1 or 2. You don't need too much. And then that's it. You would go ahead and download it again. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you if you want to go ahead and get your sticker sheets printed and you want to be able to sell your physical print sticker sheets on Etsy or your website. We're going to go ahead and go over that. So I'm going to show you that right now. But anyway, you're going to go ahead and hit PDF print file, professional printing, and then you're going to go ahead and select the page. And you're going to go ahead and hit download. So we're going to go over and show you how to print. All right, so if you want to go ahead and print your professional print of your sticker sheets, you're going to go over to jukeboxprint.com. This is just one of the options that that you can use. You can go ahead and do a search and find out more options. But as you can see, they have a lot of different things that you can print, but they have stickers, they have the free shipping, the premium papers, quick turnaround time, and sample packs. So we're going to go into the custom stickers. And right here where it says sticker sheets, but as you can see, they do have individual stickers if that's the route that you want to go. And so let's go back here. So for the sticker sheets, we're going to hit shop now. They have a sale, 20% off right now. I'm not affiliated with them, but I'm just letting you know. As you can see, these are the cute sticker sheets. And as you can see, the design that I created or showed you is something that is popular because they have it right here on their site. And right here is the pricing. So it is more money the larger your sheet is. So I use the 8x5x11 in this video just for the example, but as you can see, that's way more. So if you wanted, depending on your budget and your pricing for your business, you wanted to basically change the sizing in Canva to a 6x4 and make sure that you don't have it stretched all the way to the edges, as you can see right here, so it doesn't get cut off with the printing. And you see that they have right here 50 for $94, which is $1.88 per sticker sheet. And so you can go ahead and create a budget, and you have matte or gloss that you can choose from. And so basically you'll just need to price your sticker sheets more than $1.88, of course, to generate the profit. So you'll have to determine what price you'll do, whether it's $3 or so forth. And you're going to go ahead and upload your design, and then you're going to add it to your cart. And so this is how that you can get your sticker sheet downloaded. And as you can see, it gets shipped as soon as September 16th. So it's within a small time period. And so, yes. So, and also you can do this in Canva if you are an artist or a drawer, designer, and you can create your own art. you can go ahead and upload your art to Canva and do those same steps that I just showed you, and you will be able to stand out even more because you have one of a kind art, and you'll be able to charge more for your sticker sheets because you can show people the process of you drawing or creating your designs, and to show them that, hey, they're not just paying for not only are they paying for you to put it together, but they're paying for the time that you spent in designing it. So that's another idea. If you are an artist or you draw, this is a way for you to make money with Canva, and you are able to charge more. Yeah, so you can go through and decide how much you're going to start with. And yeah, so this is how you can go ahead and print your stickers. And like I said, if you want to go the digital route and you're going to have someone print their own stickers, you can go ahead and give them this website in the description if you're selling digital, just digital PDF files, and or you can have a suggestion where they go to buy the sticker paper. So maybe do a little research for them, and that will help you also. So if you like this video, I would appreciate if you gave it a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. I will be dropping videos every single week. And once I reach 300 subscribers, I will be giving away free Canva template that you can use, that you can resell or do whatever you would like. So I appreciate everyone for watching all the way to the end, and have a great day. Bye-bye.